Hi everyone, it's me Koi. Welcome to our Happy Trading Live channel and thank you for watching our futures palm oil weekly market analysis. Let's have a look on our market review. Palm oil extended loss and posted near 15% pledge, which is also the biggest weekly drop since mid-March and to close at 4,664. Congratulations, we have shorted when market stays below 5,600 and profit taking at our second target profit level at 4,800. Let's have a look what were the key factors that moved palm oil prices last week. First, Malaysia's Prime Minister said the government will lift the subsidies for bottled cooking oil products from 1st of July, but will continue subsidizing 600,000 tons of cooking oil a month in the form of 1 kilogram packets. On the other hand, Malaysia also received the first group of around 40 Indonesian migrant workers since reopening borders with the hopes of easing a major labor shortage in plantation. Second, Indonesia boosted exports amid worries around demand in key markets. Indonesia has issued permit to ship more than 1.4 million tons of the edible oils to reduce inventories that have prevented refiners from buying more palm fruits from farmers. While Indonesia farmers want authorities to scrap a requirement for exporters to sell portion of their palm oil domestically. Third, soybean oil posted weekly loss as risks to economic growth from interest rate hikes and traders awaiting for weather updates and export data before weekend. For officials from some G7 countries, including Germany and Britain, will push for temporary waivers on biofuels mandate to combat soaring food prices during group of wealthy nations meet on last Sunday. Let's have a look on our technical view. Palm oil extended loss and closed at 4,664. The daily chart broken EMA 200 line, which indicates market close in bear market territory, while stochastic K line show mixed signals, as in weekly chart market remains in selling signal, but in daily chart K line closing up at oversold level, which indicates market likely to have technical rebound. We expect market likely to bounce with immediate support level at 4,400. Our suggestion trade for next week: short if stay below 4,600, target stop loss 4,813, target profit level: first target profit level 4,387, second target profit level 3,961. Long if stay above 5,150, target stop loss 4,937, target profit level: first target profit level 5,363, second target profit level 5,789. That's all from us. If you like our futures palm oil weekly market analysis, please click like and share, and remember to subscribe to our Happy Trading Live channel. Thank you for watching. Happy Trading Live. Cheers.